the soft green sward. Friends slumber there that we hold in regard. We will trace out their names in the old churchyard. Mourn not for them, for their trials are o'er. Why weep for those who weep no more? For sweet is that sleep, though cold and hard. The ground may be in the old churchyard. I know that it's vain when our friends depart to breathe kind words to a broken heart. And I know that the joy of life is marred when we follow those friends to the old churchyard. Were I at rest 'neath yonder tree, why would you weep, my friends, there for me? I'm so weary, so worn. Why would you retard